Today we're doing an unboxing of, as you guys can see, let me go ahead and focus that up real fast, the Slim S Pen case, which of course includes the S Pen. It also includes the brand new case for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. So let's go ahead and open this up and see how it looks. There we go. Sorry guys, I'm working on a manual lens right now, so it's a little bit weirder. My camera's kind of, there we go. Alright. Okay. Samsung does not help you with their packaging. I'll definitely tell you that. Samsung packaging, man. Usually I don't have too much of a problem with it, but sometimes it can be a little bit of a chore. I'm looking at manual, so I'm trying to get, make sure this is all focused correctly. Okay. Might just end up ripping it out. Which usually what happens when I open up stuff. I end up just ripping it out. But okay, so here's what you got when you first open it up. You got the S Pen already right here. And it says right here. Oh, other way. There we go. It says slide to pop the S Pen. There we go. Alright, so slide. Hang on. Okay. So slide this way to pop it. This is easier said than done. Alright, let's go through the other stuff in there. So you have the case, the instructions, which it says to, you know, put it on the front, obviously. The case, I'm going to just show you guys the instructions. But, yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. On the front here, you have this case, which pops off. Okay. And then you have adhesive all around the sides, which obviously adheres to the front of your phone. Inside, this is just a plastic piece. Anything inside here? Oh, yes, you get some metal pieces. Interesting. Anything else in here? No, this is just plastic. Alright, interesting. Now we have the case. And I'll say my first impressions, right? First impressions feeling this case, it feels nice. I thought it was going to be like just a typical, you know, plastic type of, you know, shell type of thing. But it's like hard plastic. Like if I go like that, it doesn't bend at all. And a lot of cheap cases, they do bend. Now this case obviously is $100, don't get me wrong. It's not cheap, but still, it's nice. Okay, there we go. So you push it in. Let me show you guys this. You push it in, and it pops out. There we go. You push it in, and it pops out like that. And now you can take out the S Pen. Which, I believe the S Pen is a little bit different than the previous iteration. I believe this S Pen right here is a little bit thinner than the previous iteration. And to be honest, it's nice. Keep in mind, guys, I get the Z Fold 5 on Friday. So, if you're wondering, where's Z Fold 5? That's because I don't get it until Friday. There we go. And then, let's see, is it that easy to put it back in? Hopefully. Try to just slide it like that. Oh, it's magnet. And then I can, okay, so. Nope, I did not put that in correctly. Okay. That feels weird. Feels like it could get stuck. It definitely feels like it could get stuck, but can it go the opposite way? Let me not get it stuck. Okay. It can. Okay, it can. It can go either way. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm literally scared that this is going to get stuck. Now, see, if you put it in sideways by accident, it will just pop right out. So you have to make sure you put it in and snap it in when you're using it. Because if not, it's going to pop right out. So did this peel right off and not leave a residue? Please tell me it peels right off. It does. Good. Okay. The only reason I say this and the reason why I bring this up is because some, not all, but some peels do not peel like correctly. You peel it off and there's a residue. And I hate that whenever companies do that. But it's just a pet peeve. Alright. So we have obviously the 3 camera cutouts. And obviously, you know, you put this on the phone. The camera goes in there, each one. So it's actually protecting the cameras, which I like. It's not protecting it to a point though, like, you know, on the outside, obviously the lenses are so exposed, but the actual body is not. The flash right there, and it says Samsung right there. And then what's this? It's a QR code, okay? And the inside, I like the feel of the inside. So the inside is not like just plastic. It feels kind of textured a little bit. I'm gonna say this probably will not scratch your phone, but I want to go ahead and just say it's possible. Oh, I like that. Okay, the sides, they feel like premium plastic. And I know I'm saying plastic and I'm saying premium, but if you guys know what I mean, you guys know what I mean. This is not, there's no give to them. A lot of times with plastic, when you go like this, like that, you know, it will kind of like go back and forth, kind of like, not snap, but it will give some, This, I mean, I'm putting pressure right there on this case. This is not going anywhere. I'm putting some pressure. That's beautiful. I love that. And then obviously, yes, this is just a fun piece that goes on the adhesive. Now, I do want to go ahead and take a look at this real fast. 1 second, guys. So right here, this is a Z Fold 4 wallet case. So this is the last generation of phones for the Z Fold series. And how this works, pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. Put your phone in here, put this on top, and you just, like this on top, and then that's it. The reason why I bring this up is I wanted to look at the difference between the two. So, can this fit? This almost can fit in here. That's kind of funny. So obviously the Z Fold 4 and the Z Fold 5, very similar phones. You can see that right there. Let me go ahead and make this a little bit like that. There we go. You can see right there, very same. A little bit thinner on the Z Fold 5, but Z Fold 4, very similar. Same exact ports. Move that side for you guys. I apologize for the camera. I gotta keep focusing it. I try to use this camera because it has better, this lens because it has better quality. But I might go back to my other lens in the future. Probably top down angles. And obviously the same exact ports. Nice. And the same side on that side. So, a little bit different overall wise. Again, like I said, this is only the Z Fold case I actually have for Z Fold 4. Because I use this as my wallet case for my daily driver. So, not bad. I like it. I'll be honest with you. I really do like it. I was not expecting to like it as much. Just because I felt like, and this... Oh, yeah. Okay, so this adheres to your phone. So, it's never going to be pulled off, played with, or anything. This could break within seconds. But that's not surprising. Look at this. There's 2 points here, right? This is a weak point. This is why phones, when you bend them, that's why they break. But this part is actually really strong, like that. But again, like I said, it doesn't matter because at the end of the day, that's going to be on your phone anyway. So, this is, again, the Slim S Pen case. The brand new case that comes with the Z Fold 5. And as you guys can see here, look at this. There is no bump at all. That is flush. With the last generation of these cases, there was that bump for the S Pen. There is no bump at all. I'm trying to get this to focus it correctly. I think that's going to be good there. Just straight down, which is so nice. And I pop this out. Okay, let me try this again. There we go. We gotta really push it. You gotta really push that all the way in to pop your pen out. It's not like a little like, oh yeah, let me just touch it or tap it. No, you have to push it in to get your pen out. And the only thing I will say I don't like is just how it feels going in. But I think that's just gonna be, to make sure it's secure and safe. And again, like I said, just make sure you don't mess up. Put this in sideways like this. It just be rushing, right? You put it in sideways, falls right out. So just make sure when you're doing this, especially because it's S Pen, you want to make sure it's safe. See? Put it in like that. And it's kind of weird because it almost like it wants to go in sideways, which is actually really annoying. It actually wants to because it's like, it just drops right in. There's no magnets in here. Or I guess there is. Yeah, there are magnets on the side of the pen and magnets in here that keeps it adhered to the actual case. But guys, that is my unboxing and first impressions of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 S Pen cover case. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.